converting feet into miles with how many feet left over, and converting 4 foot 11 inches into just inches. So we're doing it one direction and we're doing it the other direction. You would need to look up how many feet are in a mile and look up how many inches are in 1 foot. So here I have 25,000 feet. I'm going to set this up over 1 so I can set up a conversion factor. I want to go from feet into miles. I put my units in first, then I grab my numbers. 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Feet cancels feet, I'm left with mile, and I have 25,000 times 1 is 25,000. One times 5280 is 5280. And my units were miles. I now know what I have to do to solve the problem. Because I want the leftover feet, I need to use long division. But I'm going to use my calculator as a shortcut to help me. So on my calculator, I am typing 25,000 divided by 5,280. 25000 divided by 5280 equals. In front of the decimal point is just the number 4. So I'm going to hold on to that in my head. Doing my long division, I have the 5280 divided into 25,000, and I got 4. Now I'm going to take that 4 times the 5280. 4 times 5280 equals 21120. Now I'm going to subtract 25,000 minus 21,120. So 25000 minus 21120 equals 3880. I now have my quotient and my remainder. The quotient is my number of miles. My remainder is what's left over. Since I started with feet, that means that this is feet. So 3,880. So now I have my answer. 25,000 feet is the same as 4 miles and 3,880 feet. Moving to the second problem. I need to go backwards with this one. Since I'm looking just for inches, and I have inches here, the only thing I need to convert is this 4 feet is how many inches. So I'm going to work only with that 4 feet at first. I put put it over 1 so I have my fraction so I can use my conversion factors. I have feet on the top. I want to get rid of feet. Feet goes on the bottom so it cancels. I want to go to inches, so inches goes on the top. Now I have my units. I go back and I grab my numbers. 1 foot is 12 inches. Feet cancels feet. I have my inches left over. 4 times 12 is 48. 1 times 1 is 1. So this is telling me 48 inches. I'm not done with the problem yet, because all I did was translate this 4 feet into inches. I still need to use these 11 inches. So now I'm going to take the 48 inches plus the 11 inches. "59 inches. I now know my answer. Problem is finished.